consulting engagement. Before I knew it, they said, okay, why don't you come as CEO? So we finalized the terms in like an hour, and I was presenting next day to an investor, raised some funding, and 6 months later we acquired another company, so the revenue became tenfold and all the good stuff. But what happened was, along the way, one of the team members came to me and said, sir, we have a NGO called Linear 2020, we have become a technology partner to them. And the first thing they said is Professor Sudarshan Acharya is going on a US trip, and we need to build a website. So I said, I need to know what is this concept is all about. How do we build a website without knowing the content? So I had half an hour meeting scheduled with Professor Sudarshan Acharya. And it is one of those moments that half an hour meeting went to 8 hours. And with great difficulty we parted at 11 p.m. I can describe it's one of those moments where basically you are alert. Every hair is alert. I mean, it's standing up. You can feel the shiver down the spine. The 14 or 15 years of journey of what I believe as a personal journey of self-improvement, I suddenly have, looking at a platform, somebody who is dedicated himself entire life with a single cause of improving somebody. In the past, I aligned myself with several NGOs, contributing as a full-time volunteer without caring for compensation or anything. But here is something I just could not shake it. It just gripped me, right? And all of us feel one of those moments that happened, and this happened to me. And since then, about a year ago, I changed my lifestyle. So now I'm not operating as a CEO because your demands are high. So I transformed myself as a leader. I advise several startups. I'm a partner in a company with one-third equity, but I don't engage myself in operational role. I drive the sales and marketing. Rest of the time, I'm trying more and more to allocate for leadership. And several accomplishments have been there. But what I would like to do is take this opportunity to just say this concept is so powerful that all it talks about is Apollo. Individual development is what we are encouraging people to focus on. This Apollo is not relevant to students, but for me, and I believe for all of us. Until we do that Apollo, we do not have the authority or capability to properly use the dashboard or lead other people. So the fundamental concept of do what you say. And one factor before I call on the change agents is most often we talk about leadership, but we fail to talk about the journey to leadership. And one of the important factors in my journey to leadership is the W factor, as I call it. It's not the aha moment or the wow moment, it's the why. Probably in your case, it's a spouse. Without the support at home, you cannot go on and say you have to lead the family also before you can lead the nation. It's one of the metrics I have. And oftentimes when people talk about leadership, they talk about looking for somebody and emulating these things and stuff. My perspective is, I am what I am not because of only the people I look at and try to emulate, but also people I see and say, I definitely don't want to become that. I don't want to do this. People don't even talk about this in leadership. It's very amazing. Even in the context of choosing your life partner, how do you know this is it? You don't, right? You meet 12 people, and every time you meet the next person, you say, I don't want this. You tend to basically remove the factors that you want. That is the essence of how you improve yourself, even our traits. So these are the two factors that are guiding my life, and every experience I process it every day and night. It's a discipline over a period of time. This is my journey of Apollo and Desh Ko Badao. And every day today, before I go to sleep, I ask myself, what have I done for Linear 2020 for the national development? That is the state in which I am operating. Same thing when I get up, first calls I make is for the lead. So thanks for the opportunity. I now request Acharya to invite each of the change agents.
Now, we will, in this transformation leadership, we will also hear from our People's President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who has been giving his valuable time in these last 6 years. In these last six years, even as a president, he used to call the students, he used to call the teachers.
Swami, it's right. Swami, వీడేమో చేసేట్టున్నాడు చూసుకో.
గెలిపేదాన్ని అరే రికార్డ్ చేసినావురా.
I've got many changes and it had changed whole of my lifestyle. Like before I was saying lies, but now I'm not at all saying lies. I'm always saying truth. To cover one lie, I was saying to cover it, protect it. I was saying 10 lies and 100 lies. But instead of saying one lie or 100 lies, you can say at least one truth. Then turn it to fear. And I have realized powers of truth. Before, when I was saying lies, that time I was having tension that when would my mother caught me, or when would my teachers, or when would my parents. But then after saying truth, I don't at all have any tension. I've realized in myself that I've developed also. I have developed courage and discipline in me by saying truth. And even I'm being in discipline in my class. Before I used to always fight and scold to my friends. They used to feel very bad and nobody was talking to me. Then I felt very bad. Then why do these people do like this? If I do mistake, I scold them. But afterwards I have understood that you have to say them. Then after doing this, my friends were shocked. Oh Madhurima, how are you? Before you were scolding me. Now you are only coming to me and talking to me very freely. Then they were very much shocked. And I felt very happy, and even I have reduced current bill and 150 units from 400 to 150 rupees. And even I have taught my servants and watchmen their name, their alphabets, numbers, and everything I taught them. They were saying, thank you that you made me an illiterate. That gave me nice experience. And even I trained corporates there. There was a break and he came out and he was just seeing who are there outside. Then I thought, why he's seeing all around. Then I was hiding at the side and I was seeing him. He took out the cigarette from him and he was drinking. Then I got angry. Why? It spoils your health and we are nicely enjoying it. It spoils your health. You may get new diseases. Then he said that, okay, sorry, from today I won't at all drink cigarettes. And I said that, then throw it now only. Why do you catch it in your hand? Then he threw it. I said that, not only you, whomever you see drinking cigarettes, you should stop them. And even I went to music competition there. I have trained HCU students. In music competition, many school students came there, HCU students came. Then they were saying, Madhurima, you were training me that day. By seeing all this, my parents were appreciating me, they were praising me, Madhurima, because of you. That was my happiest moment in my life, and thank you.